guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So these days are going to get kind of mixed up. This is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But on Wednesday, we went ahead and adjusted some 90s. There was this weird offset at the end with a 90, and we needed to add a second pipe. So we just decided to opt out of the first pipe and do two new pipes that would match. So we did that, and then kind of at the end of the day, we just kind of got our stuff set up for the next day. I think I'm missing some information on Wednesday because that wasn't the whole day, obviously. And then on Thursday, we went ahead and ran some pipe in the ceiling above the bathroom area, which is just fully congested with plumbers, HVAC people, and a bunch of ceiling wires. And then we ran over on the other side and ran another pipe out of this box. This is going down, that's how high it is, and then that's the lift that we were using. And this is what the 90 looked like from the other day. I'm not sure if this is Wednesday or Thursday at this point, but that's what the 90s look like. Got those nice and crispy. And then on Thursday, switched gears from going from overhead work, went to working on the dock junction boxes with my apprentice. So we went ahead and I got the boxes drilled out for the back for the 1-inch holes, the holes drilled out on the sides for the anchors because they're a little bit too small. I went ahead and got the pieces of pipe cut and the bushings put on, just prepping everything so they were good to go. So I prepped the boxes and my apprentice installed them, and there was like at least 20 to 40 of these that we did during the whole day. So I went ahead and finished those on Thursday, and then for the end of the day just glued some couplings together for some 90s for the other guys working on the underground dock levers, or what they're called, dock bay lifts. So they were working on that just took up the last of the day. And then we also cut some strut, which I didn't get on one of the days, so cut some strut and got those bolted together. And then heading to work on Friday, went ahead and got started with some more underground all day. So I was helping prep and pass out supplies, and then get the strut ready. And then when I was done with all that, then I started installing myself, and that pretty much took us to the end of the day, where we nearly finished all of the bay lifts. And then we'll be on to something else next week because these are all done.